Eric here, bringing you more of the Cranberry Lifestyle YouTube channel. I've got to get some tractors out of the water. I'm going to open up the gates and let the water out. We're really excited to announce something here. Our newest member of our family, Magnus. Mommy's been really busy, so we're going to get her out of the house. We're going to head into town and do a little scavenger hunt and find some of these ice sculptures that are scattered throughout the city. All right, it's going to be a fun one, guys. Let's get into it.
Now look.
Just as I was finishing up the winter flood, I ran this thing dry of fuel. We fueled it. We cleared the lines. We were trying to get it started. We may have worn out the starter. So we've got it all torn up. The battery's not even in it. I'm just going to try to get it out of here right now. When I come out to do the fueling and the greasing for these tractors, the kids would come out with me and they build these little snowmen. Check out that masterpiece. I think it's had better days. Three-way hitch in the back is scraping just a bit, but once the tires get on the trailer, it should be good. I'm sitting on a lot of ice and snow, so hopefully the trailer and the truck aren't going to start slipping. Bolts hold down this part of the trailer. All right, so far so good. I'm gonna push it back up the rest of the way. I've got no way of turning around, so I'm gonna have to back this thing out. We made it 99% of the way. You can see back there though, that tractor's not going to fit in that garage. It's a couple inches too high, so I'll just park it outside for now. Check it out, here's another one of those amazing snowmen my kids made. Ah, there you go. This one has some eyes and some teeth. Look at that nose. I'm gonna put a pause on this one. It's in there really solid. This crucifali is embedded in this ice really good. I haven't had it happen like that before. I think what I'll do is I'll give it some time. Eventually I'll be able to get it out. I'd rather just not break anything. What are we doing today? We're gonna go let the water out, and today
what do you mean?
What day is today? Who comes tonight? Tell everybody.
Nick.
We're gonna go out now, open these gates up and let all the water off our farm. We've got those 3 farms now, so it'll be 3 different gates. We do want to check the thickness of the ice first, just to be sure. Titus is gonna run in the house and grab that drill, and we're gonna go check the ice. You can see we have no snow. It's gonna be a green Christmas this year.
My teacher said, Miss Shanks, my teacher said, she said, she used to have green Christmases.
Once in a while we do. We had a lot of snow there a little while ago, but it all melted. We had a great thaw just last week. Bring it up. Good job.
Then I'll do it then.
Anyways, we've got a nice hole there. I still haven't hit any water, so we've got a lot of ice. All right, let's go. After smashing that gate a couple times with my sledgehammer, I was able to get it freed up. There's a lot of ice built up around the rim. Okay, I'll get my handy sidekick here to open up the gate for me. Get ready. All right, open it up. Good. We've got another gate to open at the other farm, so we'll go get that one opened up. All right, let's go. How do you guys like your early Christmas presents?
Good.
They got these little emulator Game Boys.
Oh my God.
All right, we'll check the ice here at this farm. All right, that's plenty of ice. I'll have to get a tractor over and pull this metal bar up.
Oh, you almost got it. I see the water coming up.
Yeah.
From under it.
All right. I'll have to bring the tractor over. We'll pull it up from the bottom. It just pulls the boards up from the very bottom. See that water going in there now? It's not just coming out the culvert, it's coming out the sides too, so this is going to get eroded after a while. Alright, it's going a little slower now. I was able to push that gate down a little bit. I don't want that water to come out too fast because of the erosion in the back. Alright, let's get out of here. It's Christmas Eve, I'm going to go warm up.
I see the sweater with the puppies on it.
Yeah,
the puppy pajamas.
that's cute.
Suzanne, I got it for you. Do you like it, sweetie?
Okay,
This
Titus,
one's
slow
for...
down.
Okay.
Titus, slow down. We're losing track here.
Can I keep them on? Oh, Dan, yeah. Can I keep them on? Can I keep these on? Sure.
Yeah, do they fit?
Okay, Christmas was a success. This is Boxing Day. Feels like the new year already. We've got a new one on the way. Santa did really well too. He got Titus Titus got like a hoverboard, one of those things you drive around on. Camilla, she got her robot puppy, you know, some stuffed animal puppy robot. And Sienna, she got a little same thing but a cat. And I got my socks just like I wanted. No matter what, the ice is pretty heavy, so it's going to collapse on itself into these perimeter ditches. It's not too bad. There's not going to be a lot of cold air that's able to penetrate through and get in underneath the ice.
Wow, look at that machine.
What kind of machine is that, Nigel?
1973 Arctic Cat Kitty Cat.
Oh man.
Vintage.
Doing good.
You guys cleaning up?
She's supposed to be.
We're gonna get that tree torn down, make some room in this house. What are you doing, little saucy pants?
Getting saucy.
Daddy, hurry up!
Here we go! Happy New Year, everybody!
Daddy, is it 2026 right now?
It's 2026. You guys excited to see your little brother?
Come in.
It's not baby.
Yeah, you're so pretty.
Mommy keeps crying. He's through the vending machine. Wait, I wanna.
Magnus is getting a little bigger now. He's got his eyes open. He definitely likes to be held. It calms him down. There you go, say hi. Oh, it's a little bright over here. There you go. Say hi, everybody. Uh-oh. We're gonna head into town. We're gonna do a little scavenger hunt for some ice sculptures. But first, we're gonna grab some energy food here. We're just at the Rocky Lemon. Inside, they've got all kinds of biscuits and cookies. We'll see if there's anything the kids like.
How they make the boxes?
Hmm?
She's making the box. That was like birthday cookie right there. Birthday cookie. I want that. Kitty.
Thank you.
This is mine.
This is the Pop-Tart, and then
Okay.
that's the warm pita.
Put the trunk, Daddy.
All right.
Or hold this.
Let me get you some stuff. Why don't you take that?
I gotta go check out with the baby.
Okie dokie. So,
Oh my God, this is
the little place in there was great. So they had lots of brownies. They got this spinach I don't know what it is, a spinach pie or something. Here, Mommy. This is Magnus's first trip out with his family, so you can hear him behind me. So I'm gonna take that. There you go, sweetie. They make homemade Pop-Tarts in there. This one is I think this is like the caramel banana. It's actually really good. Little Magnus wants us to hit the road, so we're gonna get going.
Your treat.
Okay, we made it into town, so let's get started. Danielle knows where we're going. She's got it all mapped out. So we'll go find the first.
Daddy, where are the ice sculptures?
Mommy's gonna take us to the first one. She knows where they are.
On the inside because...
No, the ice sculptures are outside.
Where's me? It's not going to leave me.
I'm with you. I got you.
Ooh.
All right, hold my hand. All right, we found the first ice sculpture. This is the first statue. It looks like a beaver.
I know. This is the tail. This is his ear. These are his eyes. This is his
Yeah.
nose. This is his teeth.
Someone polished it. It's almost like someone polished it. Mommy's just getting her. Did
In my headphones.
you get it figured out, sweetie?
Kind of.
This is a wood sculpture.
That's a wooden sculpture.
Sam.
Saucepan Sam. All right, give me your best cheese. 1, 2, 3, cheese. That's a really good cheese. I think there's a Freedom Iran protest going on behind me here. We found the next statue.
It's a horse.
Just be very careful. I don't think they want you to lean on it. Wow, that is a nice statue. That's a horsey.
Ready, guys? Let's take a picture.
All right, we got the third one. Everyone, look. Woohoo!
No, this is the second one.
Good job, guys. In order to find that next ice sculpture, we're gonna have to get inside this protest.
Daddy.
It's a pretty long one. We've got a bit of a crowd in front of us, so we'll just have to take your time with this one. It's a bunny.
Bunny.
Yeah,
It's a bunny.
the Easter bunny.
Daddy, this one looks like glass, doesn't it?
It does. It's really smooth.
It's still one.
Yeah, that's a nice bike shop.
Can we go in?
Look at that old bicycle up there.
Can we go in and look at the bikes?
Oh, you guys have bikes, don't you?
Yeah, but can we go in and look at them?
No, not right now. All right, we're almost at the last one, guys. Let's keep going. All right, try to guess what it is before we get to it. An eagle, an owl. Oh my goodness, that's a beautiful seahorse. Look at that thing. That's nice and shiny. It looks like a diamond. All right, get beside it. Get in there, Mommy. Good job.
Hurry up.
All right, we found it. All right, we found our last ice sculpture. I can barely talk. My lips are, my face is getting a little numb.
Mommy, it was already 2 seconds.
Hope you guys enjoyed that video. I'll catch you on the next one.